Hearing loss affects more than just your ability to hear, it also affects the quality of life. And it does not only affect you, but it equally affects people around you. And that is why just buying a hearing aid or wearing it does not bring in the solutions that is brought in by the law hearing loss. With this understanding, a quality hearing care, renowned hearing care center in Mumbai came into existence 35 years ago. Hi, I am Dr. Prabhav Natkar, and today we'll talk about how we take care of your experiences and result with our expertise to beat all the odds that the hearing loss brings in. First step towards this journey is to understand you and your needs. And we'll start this in a relaxed environment with an open-ended question. This will give you enough opportunity to express how you feel about your hearing loss, how would you exactly go through, what are your personal, professional needs, what are your aspirations, and what are your desires. By understanding this, we will also ask you few questions to understand your readiness to accept the management that we are going to offer. And if at any point we feel that you are not ready, we'll wait for a while and give you some other information which will motivate you to take action. Second step is a medical diagnosis. And we start this with examination of your ear, which is called otoscopy, to understand the quality of problems, if any, in the canal or in the eardrum. After that, we proceed to do a hearing test, which is called an audiometry. Audiometry is a hearing test which is done in a soundproof environment with the headphones around your ear. While doing the test, sounds are delivered at various levels and in various tones, which is called frequency, and you're supposed to indicate when you hear the best. And this results in plotting of a graph. After the audiometry is done with the headphones, we also do a small test behind your ear by keeping your ear open. This is called bone conduction audiometry, and this is required to find out whether you have a sensorineural hearing loss or any other medical condition which is called a conductive hearing loss, which could be treated medically or surgically. Once this diagnosis of sensorineural hearing loss is reached, we further do speech tests. These speech tests are done both in quiet to understand your ability to process spoken language and also in a noise called a quick sync test. Third and the most important and vital step is selection and prescription of a hearing aid. With our diagnosis that we have established and we have understood your personal and professional needs, the best device that is suitable for a type of hearing loss, your needs, your budget, and your ability to manage is prescribed for you. Providing a right hearing aid for you is our utmost priority, and we ensure it very well so that it gives you a better quality of life. This is decided based on the availability of the technology, the preferred style, and the comfort that you have. The fourth step is a fitting step. Here, we program your customized hearing aids for your needs. We do this by using a real ear measurement. Real ear measurement accurately measures the delivery of the sound required for you to understand speech at the eardrum level. This incorporates the anatomy of the ear, which is likely to change the amplification of the delivered sounds. Following the fitting with the real ear measurements, we do validation tests. This is done to understand how much of an improvement in processing of a speech in quiet takes place after accurately fitting a hearing aid. With completion of hearing aid fitting, your journey with your hearing aid starts, and we share this with you by providing ongoing professional support and aftercare. This is done by schedule of appointments, which starts with first visit after few weeks and then quarterly and annual visit. During this visit, we assess your hearing. We also assess the performance of your hearing aids, and we also discuss all the additional support that you need. In addition to attending to the hearing and hearing loss, we also can incorporate certain training programs which are called the auditory training or the speech training, which would help you to further enhance your experience with your hearing aids. We understand that what we described today may be an overwhelming, but the beginning need not be scary. And if you feel or you or your close ones need any of our help, you can start it from the comfort of your home by going through online hearing test on our website www.qualityhearingcare.com and get back to us. We'll always welcome you. We can give you a guidance and suggestions which will improve the quality of life that you expect. Thank you very much for listening to us today. And if you like the video, please share with the people who you think would benefit with it, and subscribe to it to get updates on our information. Thank you and take care.